Hi, hello everyone. Blues here. So I'm very excited to be. We are the second year in a row being strategy partner of Taipei Blockchain Week, and so this is gonna be really really excited. And today we're gonna to share with you what's the synergy that AI and Web3 can be work together. Of course, you're definitely thinking, okay, what Google can actually help Web3 startup to be able to success. So today, what's special is that we are going to share our use cases that we have been helping our global customer will be able to scale their business across the globe. So feel free to ask me any question afterwards because I only got 7 minutes. So I will have my best buddy, Ryder, to share more details later on. So today we're going to cover Google Cloud Blueprint within 2023. And then we're going to share with you Web3 and Gen AI synergy and case study. And then in the final, of course, many of you probably are just start your business. And of course, probably you are a global Web3 footprint customer. We would love to help you to understand how Google can actually help your brand to be scaled to the globe. All right, so just a quick introduction of myself. I'm Blues. I'm covering Web3 industry across the APAC. I'm a customer across DeFi, exchanges, wallets, protocol, yeah, many of them. So we'd love to share and engage more with you. And then, yeah, what's the blueprint that we've been achieved this year? So this is gonna be excited. So as you can see from the protocol side, we've been working with the Sky Mavis. They're our parent company of SE Infinity, which you're probably quite familiar with them. And then Near, Protocol, Aptos, Solana, Polygon. And we also work with some of the large exchanges in the world, like Coinbase, Binance, Bullish. And then, yeah, what's exciting about data-wise, you can see Nansen, Chainlink are more and more gonna coming up. So hopefully your logo can be there in one day. Okay, so what's the most critical challenge for Web3 right now? I believe you guys all know it's regulation, right? How to be regulated. It's not something that we're trying to get away with. So how can Google will be able to help you to be compliant in such a complex world? So as you can see, we have been quite well versed in compliance. Back in a couple years ago, sorry. And as you can see, we have been helping our customer, especially exchanges, wallet, to be compliant. And we are also leading security industry and an independent audit with a third-party company to be able to compliance. So as you can see, like global certificate ISO 2301 or SOC 123, some of critical certificate that you probably needed, and we will be able to share our experience, our best practice with you. Of course, around the world. So any in the region, if you are across this kind of issue, feel free to ask us and or consult us. We have a special team to help you to be able to comply. And then the other cases I am super excited what to share with you is we are within this year we already engaged over 100 Web3 customers, and we successfully migrate over 10 workloads. And the one that we have been quite excited is that one of our customers is the largest DID solution, and they are already on the Binance Launchpad. And then they're serving over 14 million users across the world. So they migrated this kind of tech, since some of these text stage. So what we'd like to share with you is that they migrate Kubernetes and workload like PostgreSDB to our Alobity 100% compatible with Postgres, and then networking stuff. And then we will be able to help them save over 35% of their costs in cloud usage. That's really amazing. So I can share with you more specific number. So they share with us they're using the other cloud provider with the monthly usage is around 120K, so which is quite large, right? A month. That's a month billing usage, and then after they migrate to Google Cloud, we found they save up to like 70K a month. So that's 75% overall usage saving. So which is really amazing. And then we would like to share with you, so since I don't have too much time, but I would love to share one more details later on. And then for my last slide, summary, why Google is so different, and then what's our differentiator. So as you can see, data and insight will be our best strength. And then, of course, after is that AI. If you don't have data, if you cannot process your data well, then the AI is not is unworkable, right? So data is definitely most important thing. That how we can better to help you to process your data pipeline, and then we also have multi-cloud solution, which is that we don't lock our customer. Simply said that if you're unhappy, you can leave anytime you want. So that's Google's spirit. We would like to support our community and ecosystem. And of course, best-in-class security, because Web3 has been always headache about security area. So we have end-to-end solution. We'll be able to help you to like auto-scan for some of the vulnerability of security, and which is all automatically. So feel free to ask us if you have any, like, you would like to learn more, we'd love to share. And best of Google, which is, I think is the most proud that we would like to share with you. And working with Google Cloud is not only on a cloud perspective. You can always come to us and say, hey, how can we go to market? How can we increase our brand awareness? How can we help promote our brands and acquire user in the world? So that's what we good at. Thank you very much. I'm Blues. So I will leave some of the details to Ryder. So let's give applause to Ryder. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is next page. Hello everyone, it's Ryder here, and I'm super excited to stand on the stage and see many old friends and new friends here, and follow up Blue's idea. I will, everyone is talking about AI today, right? Including the session, the morning session. So I would like to deep dive more regarding how Google can support our Web3 project on the AI field. Next is, yeah, here we are. Okay, so we don't have much time, but I would like to quickly introduce how, from Google perspective, how AI can impact our Web3 project and what's the future we see in the coming days. And yeah, I'm Ryder. I'm doing the same thing like Bruce. I'm an account manager of Google Cloud. If you have any questions after the session, feel free to come to us, and we'd like to discuss with you regarding how we support you. Okay, wow, this is huge. Okay, so this is a general idea how generative AI is driving new opportunities for currently what we see today. And this is not for a Web3 project only. This is for the all the world. Okay, for example, if you are an analyst, you have complex data to engage with, but you would like to treat those data with intuitively accessible. Or if you are a customer service, you're trying to do some, if you don't have that much labor force and you like to enrich your service quality, now AI can help you on this field. And the third thing is that if you are a content provider, you like to generate new things, images, text, or even a code. Now you can leverage generative AI to support your work. And the last thing, if you are none of the three above, you are AI practitioner, Okay, you know how to run AI model. The current model, you can see the open source model cannot really fit your requirement. You can try to train your own AI models. I think that is a main category. Customer can leverage generative AI to support their project for now. Okay, so how about Web3 world? So if we classify those scenarios into Web3 world, we, from Google Cloud perspective, we have a collect many customer scenario. And now let me quick share with you what's the Web3 project, how they leverage AI to their project, okay? For example, for the first field, you have a bunch of data. You have so much data, but you have a limited labor resource. You're trying to leverage that data. Maybe you can use it for your customer engagement. Okay, you can make a one-to-many engagement and make every customer feel, oh, they are unique. There looks like so much agency is supporting me. Okay, or maybe you are an analyst. You are trying to predict the pre-crypto price. Okay, or you're trying to do some market research. You can leverage general AI to support you. And I think this one is quite special. This is for the security field. Okay, because you don't know where the threat comes from. They are from so many places. Maybe you don't miss a point. So maybe AI can help you in that field. You can leverage AI to help you do some AML, ATO jobs. Okay. And the second category, this is the second category, but I think that is the most scenario being leveraged today. Okay, because some of our customers would like to create like a virtual assistants to support their customer, because in a Web3 project, we may not have that much labor force at the beginning session when we are sit around, enjoy around, but we like to serve the customer all around the world. Okay, so this is a case. Or if you are a developer inside a project, you like to make your code with better quality, some error examining mechanism. Okay, you can leverage AI to support you. And the third category is content generation. Okay, if you are going to launch a series of NFT, a 10K NFT, or if we are a GameFi project, we are trying to leverage AI to create some characters, NPCs. In the normal time, we may spend a lot of time let the art people to decide how the character should be like. But with generative AI, you can have a series of models. That may not be the last version, but those characters can really inspire you to saving your time to create new space, new characters. Okay. And the last thing is tuning the model. Okay. There's so much open sources model on the market, but if you don't like to, maybe you think that may not fit your requirement, you can tune up your model, and Google can help you with you on that. Okay, let me give you an example regarding what I say just now. Okay, this is a case. If you are an analyst or you are a user, you can leverage generative AI. You can say, oh, I want to see the top 10 protocol tokens launched in 2023, and you see natural language to communicate with a channel. Maybe you don't need to know how to input a SQL command line, something like that. You can just use natural language to interactive with the AI. And the second scenario is, like I just said, the most being leveraged scenario. That is a chatbot scenario, or you can call it like a smart assistant or something. Okay, you can use the dialogue to ask AI. I'm new to copy trading. I need expert to guide me, please. This is natural language, and the AI will answer you in natural language. This is a text format, or you want the assistant to answer you like through voices or images. We have another way to help you to build up that scenario. Okay. And this is maybe the only slide I will show you today regarding what is our offerings. This is the only slide. So if you like to achieve the scenario, like I said above, the four scenarios, maybe you can leverage one of them to achieve your goal. Okay, let me do a quick review on it. The top, the yellow one should be for business user. So I'm not engineer, I'm a business user, but I like to leverage AI to support my project. This is a field you should looking for. Okay, for example, we have a Duet AI for Google Workspace. We have a Duet AI for Google Cloud. Okay, you can try to start a slide. Oh, I'm trying to do a presentation today. Hey, AI, could you please help me to generate an image with some certain content? Or would you like to draft me a paragraph regarding certain topics? That is, AI can help you. Or you are in a certain field, like you're going to build up a CCAI, contact center, or have a bunch of documents that is in various format, like a PDF or any kind of format. You need AI to help you to read those documents and summarize a result for you. This is document AI, okay? And for the green part, if you are a developer that you are trying to build out the most being leveraged scenario, I mean the chatbot scenario, you can look into the green field. We have conversation AI to interactive with your end user, your client. And we have brands, we have our own foundation models that is trained by Google Cloud. You can use Google Cloud's model, and you have enterprise search to keep the confidential data within your own territory. This part of data will not shared with Google. So you can keep your confidential, but you can build up your own chatbot at the same time. And every time when we go down that, we go more close to the infrastructure. So if the predefined tools cannot match your request, you can go down. For example, you have another LLM trying to adopt. You are not using Google's LLM. You can look in for Model Garden. There's a bunch of LLM, open source LLM there. You can leverage it to train your model. And you can use our generative AI studio to tune the model, like the temperature or the size of the paragraphs, something like that. And when we go down, we have also offering, like if you like to do a simple text AI, or you want to improve your code quality, you want to generate an image, we have existing API for customer to code to support your certain scenario business. And if all the above cannot meet your requirement, you are going to train your own model, no worry. We have our own infrastructure. We have a GPU, and we have our developed TPUs to support your project, to train your model. But I think all of you would like to ask the same question. How do I get my desired GPU? Because GPU is a really scarce resources today. Everyone is looking for a GPU. So don't hesitate to come to us. Let me try Bruce and I will find a way for you. We can try to get a GPU for you to train your own models. Okay. And I think I don't have much time here. The last thing I would like to share with you is regarding our startup program. Okay, this program is not new to most of you because this is an existing program. If you trying to apply this program, you can get up to 100K for 1 year. I think that is familiar with you, but from this year, we have modified this program to demonstrate how we put emphasis on AI on Web3 project. So if you are a Web3 project, you are trying to leverage this program, you have a new version to leverage. That is AI, you can click AI tag, and the credit support will goes from 100K to 250K. I think that's quite huge number. That is a number good for you to train your own model because we know GPU is consuming. So if you have a similar question, feel not hesitate to come to Bruce and I. We are happy to discuss with you how we can support your business. Yeah, so this is my last page. And let us build Web3. with Google Cloud. And thank you so much for your time, Ryder and my colleague Bruce. Thank you.